So this time, our video for today, or today's video, is to find the missing side and angles of the triangle ABC with angle C 105 degree, and the measure of angle B as far as side is concerned is 27 feet or side AC, and the measure of side A or side BC is 22 feet. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to find side C. In finding C, we can easily find the two other missing angles, and that is the angle B and the angle A. To find C, let us use the law of cosine. In the law of cosines, there are two forms that we need to understand. The first one is the standard form. The second one is the alternative form. The use of standard form is finding the sides or the missing sides of the given triangle, particularly the oblique triangle. Now, since C, the formula, one of the standard forms or formulas of finding C is the C. Since C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus the product of this 2AB times cosine C. So this is one of the formulas of the standard form to find side C. So before we can find the side C, let us first determine the given values. A is we have 22 feet, B we have here 27 feet and 105 degree of the angle C. So let's substitute. So A is 22 squared plus B, we have here B is 27 squared minus 2, the product of this and this, 22 and 27 cosine 105 degree. So after that, let's get 22 squared. So 22 times 22 is 4, 4, 4, and 4. And this is 4, 8, 4. So 4, 8, 4. While 27 times 27 is 49, and 4, 7 times 2 is 14, plus 4 is 18. 2 times 7 is 14, carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And this is 9, 12, carry 1, so 600. So 22 squared is 484, 27 squared is 729, 2 times 22 times 27 is 1158 cosine 105. Then 484 plus 629 plus 729, okay? Because 27 times 27 here, 49, 14, 18, 2 times 7 is 14, carry 1, 2 times 2 is 2, okay, 9, 12, carry 1, 6, 7, 2, 9. Then 729 plus 729 plus 484 is 1213. So we're done adding 484 plus 729 minus cosine of 105 times 1188, and this is approximately negative 300 So, to the nearest 10 is 307.4. 307.4. Okay? 47 to the nearest 10 is 307.5. So let's proceed. 1, 2, 1, 3. Negative and negative is positive. 307.5. Let's add. 1, 2, 1, 3 plus 307.5. So 0.5. Observe here. 10, carry 1, 2, this is 5, then 1. So, 1,520.5 or 1,529. Let's check. Okay. 1,520.05 is the sum of these two. So C is equal to square root of 1,520.05. Square root of 1,520.05 is approximately 38.98. Or round off to the nearest 10, and this becomes 0, so 39. So side C here is equal to 39.